I didn't just write a book, I lived it first. I moved to Canada with a vision of a better life. But what people really don't talk about is the in between, the rebuilding, the adjusting, the moments where you question everything. And over time, I realized it wasn't just about starting over in a new country, but actually, it was about finding myself again. That's what inspired me to really write this book. Not just to tell my story, but to help someone else feel less alone in their journey. Because I know I was feeling alone and it was a lonely road. And I've made several mistakes along the way. And because I didn't want others to fall in the same trap, I wanted to find a way to help better their transition and to really help them to be prepared for what to expect when moving to Canada. Because starting over, whether it's in a new country or a new season, isn't easy, sis. We all know that. But you know what? It is possible. And so many of us did it. And I'm sure that you can do it also. So, my book, What to Expect When Moving to Canada, is a personal roadmap where I shared my personal experiences and some guidance along the way to help you in your transitioning along the way. It's available on Amazon. If you would like the link, let me know and I will share it with you. Thanks for watching.